are talking about the most popular releases of April 2021. Have some high heat right in the beginning of the month, guys. What's poppin' YouTube? This is your girl Shivani and welcome back to my channel. This is where we talk about sneakers and street style every Monday and Thursday of the week. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do it right away. Also guys, I'm really thankful to you for all your love and support shown towards all my previous videos. A lot of you folks have also requested for a lot of reviews, guys. I'm so stoked and I hope I can review them soon for you. But a lot of times it also happens that I try my hands on, getting a lot of sneakers that are releasing. But now that we know how hyped and how coveted sneakers are, unfortunately, I'm not able to get my hands on a lot of sneakers which are releasing of late. Nevertheless, I really want to be able to push out more content and also to review more sneakers for you, which is why I thought it would be really important and also very beneficial for all my audience out here. Now that I really want this channel to be all about sneakers, like a sneaker 101 in India kind of a thing. So I thought of filming this sneaker releases every month kind of a video. The first video of every month is gonna be all about sneakers which are releasing that particular month. What do you guys think? So going forward, we'll always have this hyped sneaker release of the month. Basically, I won't be able to talk about a lot of GRs because there's gonna be so many releases, right? So we won't talk about all the sneakers. We'll only talk about like most popular releases of the month. This will not only help us to know more about those sneakers, like the history, interesting colorways and all of that, but I think it's not always possible to buy each and every sneaker, right? So now that I'm gonna tell you what's releasing in that particular month, can actually invest on what you really want to cop. So I think that's gonna be really beneficial for you and I really hope you would appreciate it. Also guys, these sneaker release that we're gonna talk about is mostly gonna be around the international launch dates. Now that you're aware that most of the sneakers do not always come to India, so I'm not sure, as of now, I'm not sure if these sneakers that we're gonna talk today are gonna be launching in India. And also you must be aware that sometimes the releases in India are not at par with the international release dates, meaning they might get delayed sometimes. So as and when I have an idea of the actual release date in India, or if they are coming to India, I'm definitely gonna let you guys know. Now that we have the community feature tab enabled on my YouTube, I can talk to you guys more, which I'm really excited about. I'm probably gonna populate like a screenshot of whenever I have an idea of what's releasing. And also now that we have our regular sneaker content and the videos coming up every Monday and Thursday, I'll always try to populate these details in my videos. So do keep an eye out on them. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at what is hot this month. Alright guys, so we are talking about the most popular releases of April 2021. We're gonna talk about the name of the silhouette. We're gonna talk about what is the retail on them looks like, where can you cop them and when can you cop them. Plus, of course, I would mention what do I personally think about them, right? So now starting off on the 3rd of April, we have some high heat right in the beginning of the month, guys. So this is a very coveted silhouette, as we all know how hyped and how coveted Nike Dunks have been recently in India and also worldwide. On the 3rd of April, the Nike Dunk Low black and white. After all the release of the Nike Dunk Lows and Highs so far, the black and white colorway is set to release in April, and I'd say this is such a great start to the month, fellas. Now, although it has already released abroad, the pair is releasing on sneakers on the 3rd of April, so you might want to try your hands on them. The retail on these is usual 8295 INR in India. On the 10th of April, we have one of the most sought after Jordan 5 Retros launching. So we have the Jordan 5 Raging Bull, also known as a Toro colorway. The Air Jordan 5 Toro or the Raging Bull is one of the most popular non-original colorways to have ever released in 2009 as part of Jordan 5 Defining Moments pack. And this beautiful style is returning to shelves in April 2021. This pair is likely to have a full family size as per what I have read so far, but again guys, I'm not sure if women's and the kids sizes will be available in India. These are priced at 190 USD, approximately 14k INR. First women's Jordan of the month, and I'm so excited about this. The women's Air Jordan 3 Rust Pink is slated to release on the 15th of the month and it looks really fresh. I really love the colorway. I'm sure when you look at these, you can visualize the Aleli Maze Jordan 6 Millennial Pink from 2019, right? And which is why I feel this would definitely catch up a lot of heat, guys, beautiful pink nubuck upper, which is in contrary to the regular tumble leather which we have seen usually on the Jordan 3s. And you can see the signature Jordan 3 elephant print. Hope to see it released in India. Price is 190 USD, which comes to around 14k INR. So 16th, we have two very important drops, I feel. So the first one is the Nike Dunk Low Michigan colorway, and I'm sure sneakerheads all around the world have been waiting eagerly to get their hands on this pair. The college team colorway of the University of Michigan from the BTTYS pack. Now again guys, if you haven't watched my dunk videos where I have talked about all the BTTYS and everything properly, I highly recommend you check it out. I'm gonna put the link in the description box for you. Now this Dunk Low features a varsity maize base with the midnight navy colorway. Again, this pair, apart from being one of the OG colorways, is also hype because of the off-white dunk release previously, which is why I feel this is gonna be quite hyped. But I feel this is going to be pretty much like a general release. That's what I can tell you after having a look at all the dunk releases in India so far. I'm not sure how limited these are going to be, like quantity wise. The price would be around the regular Dunk Low price of 8295 INR in India. Then we have another coveted sneaker, one of the most awaited ZX of the year, I would say. The Adidas Original ZX 8000 Super Earth by Sean Wotherspoon is also set to release on the 16th of April. Sean Wotherspoon is quite an influencer on the streetwear scene, and also because he's an advocate of sustainability. His previous collab, I'm sure you must be aware of, the Adidas Original Superstar, was an instant sellout. I'm not sure if this pair would be that coveted because I personally feel the Superstars looked much better than the ZX. Nevertheless, I feel this might be a little difficult to cop. This is priced at 160 USD, which comes to around 11k INR. On the 17th, we have one of my favorite colorways. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be an instant sellout. The Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Hyper Royal colorway is slated to release on the 17th of this month, and as I mentioned, this is definitely gonna be an instant sellout. The white smooth leather base overlaid with suede, I think it's such a beautiful colorway. And I also feel, looking at the pictures, I feel the quality on these is really nice. I love this light gray touches on the swoosh and the heel collar area. This definitely looks very, very premium. This is priced at 140 USD, so this is gonna be launching on the 17th on SNKRS. On the 21st, we have another exciting colorway in the Dunk Low releasing, the Spartan Team Green colorway, guys. So the color blocking, if you remember, was seen last year in 2020 on a Nike Dunk High, and this year the same color blocking is gonna appear on a Dunk Low. But again, I'm not sure how limited these releases gonna be, and also I'm not sure if the release dates which I'm mentioning right now, which are global release dates, are gonna be the same for India. Sometimes the releases get pushed a little in India, and I'll let you know whenever I get an idea of the actual release dates. As I mentioned previously, this year all the dunks would pretty much be like a general release. Accessibility wise, I think it's gonna be a lot more in quantity, but you know how high in demand sneakers have become in India. But yeah, do try out your luck. This is gonna be priced at the regular Dunk Low price of 8295 INR. Then finally, we have a Jordan 4, one of the most coveted Jordan 4s, releasing this month, guys, on the 28th, the Air Jordan 4 University Blue. I'm sure you know that this is celebrating the UNC colorway. Don't you feel we have seen so much of the University Blue colorway this year already, like the UNC Dunks, the women's Nike Dunk Low Coast colorway, then we have the Air Jordan 1 High University Blue, and now this one, I think that is also the Hyper Roll that we mentioned previously on this video, right? This being also very similar to the Travis Scott Jordan 4s. I'm sure this is definitely going to be an instant sellout, guys, but regardless of the hype, I think this is a very beautiful sneaker. How can you not compare this with the Travis Scott 4s released previously, right? But I think apart from the fact that it looks very similar to that pair, the quality on these look really, really premium. You can see that the Jumpman logo, it looks pretty transparent. I think the whole sneaker in itself is very like a collectible piece. Apart from that, a couple of Yeezys are also slated to release in April, and 500 low top and both high top versions are also planned to release this month. But as you know, the Yeezy embargo dates are quite strict. Before the brand actually releases the embargo dates, you don't get to hear about the upcoming Yeezys. But again, I'll try to drop by and let you guys know whenever I have an understanding of when are these Yeezys dropping. Now, apart from these, we also have a few other drops, which definitely is going to be very hyped and very popular. But unfortunately, I do not have an understanding of the dates, the release dates as of now, which is why I'm just gonna populate the the pictures of the releases, and I'm gonna drop by as soon as I have an understanding of what the release dates look like and if they're coming to India again. I hope this video was really beneficial and helpful for you in not only finding out what is dropping this month so that you can save up your bucks and invest on your favorite pair of sneakers, and also coming to the whole history, sort of colorway and color blocking sort of an idea. I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, I shall see you soon. But before I go, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the bell icon if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate it, and it'll also really help me to engage more with you guys. You know the drill, every single Monday and Thursday we talk about sneakers and street style on this channel, so I shall see you guys. Bye.